The Underground Railroad was a system of escape routes, safe houses, and committed anti-slavery activists who helped enslaved people escape from the Mason-Dixon line between the North and the South to freedom in the North. Enslaved people often escaped to Canada, where slavery was illegal and beyond the reach of the cruel and infamous slave catchers. The Underground Railroad movement would be led primarily by free African Americans living in the North, gathering steam following the Fugitive Slave Act of 1850, which made escape even harder. Underground Railroad conductors were people who would help enslaved people flee to the North. Most escaped slaves would travel at night to avoid detection. Escape was risky. Enslaved people caught escaping faced beatings, torture, or even death at the hands of slave catchers or the slaveholders themselves. Anyone helping an enslaved person escape could serve jail time or face hanging. Nevertheless, thousands of African Americans courageously fled slavery through the Underground Railroad until the end of the Civil War. Both African Americans and whites, men and women, took part in the Underground Railroad, helping brave former slaves escape to freedom. This has been 60 Second Civics, a podcast of the Center for Civic Education. 60 Second Civics, where civic education only takes a minute.